Hello everyone, or should I say hi guys. It's now 10:30 a.m. and always welcome back to Sinau Nang Oma. Aku udah keren gak ngomong bahasa Inggrisnya? Since you know, kalau aku speaking English kayak gini berarti yes, today's English subject for high school students. I really want to hear your voice. Hi! Udah ready di sini ya di depan TV, udah waktunya buat nonton sambil sinau bareng. Tapi tenang, bukan aku, Rizkyani Putri, yang bakal cerita soal bahasa Inggris dan apa yang bakal kita pelajari hari ini, tapi tentu our English teacher. We have Mr. Arif Rahman of SMA Negeri 1 Waru. Betul nggak sih Pak? Dari SMA Negeri 1 Waru?
Betul.
Boleh kita berikan tepuk tangan dulu Pak Arif. Hai.
Hello students.
How are you today, sir?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you. I'm fine too. Very excited to start. Jadi kita hari ini mau belajar bahasa Inggris. Kan tema itu udah banyak banget. Untuk hari ini teman-teman jadwalnya di rumah itu belajar apa Pak Arif?
Oke, hari ini kita belajar tentang narrative text. As we know, there are so many kinds of narrative types.
Yes.
Today we will talk about one of them, which is legend.
Legend. I know some story from legend like asal usul Gunung Tangkuban Perahu.
That's right. Betul, itu salah
It's
satu
one
contohnya.
Of
yes,
legend.
one of them.
Atau kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia kita tahu legenda.
Ya,
Betul ya Pak ya?
Legenda.
Apa yang menarik dari mempelajari legenda?
Seperti kita ketahui, kita banyak suku.
Indonesia begitu
Ya,
kaya.
Betul, dan juga banyak culture di situ.
Yes.
Salah satunya adalah legenda.
One of them is legend.
Yes.
But when we learn about legend in English, tentu akan berbeda dengan mempelajari legenda dalam bahasa Indonesia, dalam narasi berbahasa Indonesia.
Short of them.
Apa yang bakal menarik nih? Karena saya tahu kalau legenda itu kan berasal dari masa lalu. Kita bakal banyak pakai verb to mungkin?
Maybe. Let's check it out.
Oke, let's check it out. Saya semangat sekali. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah tentu ada kompetensi dasar dan kompetensi inti yang diharapkan untuk bisa dicapai bersama. Yang pertama kita tahu bentuk narasi itu bermacam-macam, salah satunya legenda. Dan itu kalau berasal dari masa lalu tentu nanti akan ada struktur.
Yes.
Atau unsur bahasa yang digunakan.
Unsur bahasa, betul. Atau language features.
Language features. Selain itu apa lagi?
We have generic structure.
Generic structures.
And first of all, social function.
Social function.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so excited to start. What is social function? We will learn today.
Yes, indeed.
Oke, jadi kita akan belajar fungsi sosialnya apa, kemudian unsur yang akan digunakan apa, strukturnya bagaimana, mulai dari satu demi satu. Sudah ada di belakang kita.
Oh, yes.
Wah, ini alam Indonesia yang begitu kaya atau alam negara lain ya?
I think it's kinds of in mythology.
Mythology, okay. So we start from narrative. We speak about legend.
Let's talk about narrative. As I told you before, there are so many kinds of text in narrative. One of them, today we will talk about legend. Let's push legend.
Okay, we can push legend, please.
What is legend?
Okay, what is legend?
Yes, a legend, a story from the past that many people believe but that cannot be proven true. What does it mean?
Sebuah kisah yang berasal dari masa lalu yang diyakini oleh banyak orang, tapi belum bisa dibuktikan kebenarannya. Ini mitos atau fakta? Atau ada fakta yang dibumbui oleh banyak hal?
Indeed. And the second one, a legend is a story told about extraordinary deeds that has been told and retold for generations among group of people. That's why we have a lot of legends comes from generation to generation.
Itulah kenapa legenda itu diceritakan dari generasi ke generasi, karena kisahnya adalah kisah-kisah yang luar biasa. Tentu punya pesan moral yang begitu kuat, dan itu diceritakan mulai dari nenek kepada orang tua kita, kemudian orang tua kita kepada kita, dan nanti akan diturunkan oleh kita kepada anak cucu kita. Nice.
This is a legend.
This is a legend. Kita sudah sepakat ya bahwa legenda yang akan kita pelajari hari ini adalah kisah masa lalu yang dibagikan dari generasi ke generasi yang punya makna. Itulah kenapa legend keep dipertahankan
Yes.
sampai dengan hari ini dan seterusnya.
Betul.
Selanjutnya Pak Arif.
Oke, kalau ada pertanyaan silakan kepada
boleh
siswa
disiapkan.
untuk yes.
Yes,
Betul.
disiapkan. Please note on your paper
Write down on
book.
a paper.
Write down on your paper, so we could interact at our 5 segment. Kita punya segmen kelima, 5th segment,
okay.
di mana nanti semua bisa bergabung. Boleh catat dulu nomornya 031 82 510 atau di 031 82 570. Nanti akan ada segmen khusus, saya akan undang teman-teman di rumah. Please join our so much fun today. Oke, kita lanjut.
Please call.
Please call, yes. Selanjutnya.
Okay. Just like usual, if we are talking about the text, means we will talk about 3 aspects. The
Three
first
aspects.
is social function.
Social function,
The second one, generic structure.
generic structure,
And then the last one, language features.
Language features.
Or lexical-grammaticals. The first, social function.
Okay, the first one is
In
social
bahasa,
function.
we call it fungsi sosial.
Fungsi sosial.
Atau tujuannya apa sih?
Mhm.
And narrative, general, the function of narrative is to amuse or to entertain the readers or listeners.
To amuse or
Yeah.
to entertain, ada sisi menghibur juga
That's
di
right.
situ.
Have you ever
Listening?
read
Read?
or listened to the song?
Absolutely,
No,
yes.
sorry, not the song, the story.
The story.
From your parents or from your friends?
Yes, absolutely yes. And
And-
I really, really love it.
What do you feel after that?
I feel so excited at first.
Excited?
A little, really want to know how about the story next,
Yes.
how the story ends,
And then, do you feel like entertained or amusing?
entertain in kind of happy, sometimes
Yes.
crying because of the
Crying
story.
is amused also, right?
Yeah, right. Jadi gara-gara dengar cerita itu bikin sangat bersemangat, penasaran dengan kelanjutan kisah sampai dengan akhirnya bagaimana. Bahagia, kadang menangis, kadang gemes gitu.
Yes. Afraid is one of the feeling.
Afraid,
Yeah.
takut adalah salah satu dari rasa yang dimunculkan ketika mendengarkan legenda.
Yeah.
Makin penasaran kan, kita baru belajar soal social functionnya. Tapi bagaimana dengan generic structure and language, lexical, grammatical, or
Yes, or
language,
language features,
features. Please still with me, stay with us. I will back to you only on Sinau ng Oma. So guys, we already learned about the social function of legend. Kita udah belajar tentang fungsi sosial dari sebuah legenda yang dihadirkan atau diteruskan dari generasi ke generasi. Lalu ada 2 aspek atau fungsi lain yang tentu bikin semua yang di rumah penasaran. How about the generic structure and the language features or lexical, grammatical?
Lexical, grammatical.
Oke. Pak Arif?
Yep.
Will we start from the
Okay.
generic structure?
As we know, a legend is a part of narrative, one of the part of narrative. That's why the generic structure also the same, like all narrative texts.
Mhm.
The first is we have orientation. It is talking about the setting,
Oke.
characters,
Yes.
and the background of the story.
Oke, sebagaimana sebuah kisah pada umumnya, tentu ada orientasi dari kisah itu sendiri, ada peran utama, ada setting tempat, dan setting waktu. Kapan kisah itu terjadi?
That's right.
Oke.
Usually, if we want to write down a text or a story, a narrative,
Mhm.
we have to start orientation.
Orientation first.
Right.
Jadi sebelum menganalisis atau menulis kisah yang konteksnya adalah legenda, maka harus dipahami terlebih dahulu yang pertama kali adalah the orientation.
Yep.
Oke.
The second one, as we know, and the narrative is a story, right?
Mhm.
If we want to, attract
Ya,
the readers, all story must have conflict. Or we
conflict.
call it complication.
Complication. It can be short or long story, but it should have The complication of
It
the
must have,
conflict.
not only should have, must have.
Must have, sorry.
Harus, iya.
Harus punya konflik. Karena kalau nggak ada konflik, nggak ada greget.
Hambar, ya kan? Cerita nggak ada konflik. Hambar.
Kayak sayur tanpa garam ya, gitu.
Bukan kayak garam tanpa sayur ya?
Enggak. Jangan makan garam tanpa sayur, nggak enak. Jadi harus ada konflik, dan konflik itu bisa terjadi pada diri si karakter atau tokoh utamanya.
That's right.
Betul?
You can add one complication or one conflict or more than one.
Oh, jadi konfliknya tidak hanya satu,
Yep.
bisa lebih bahkan.
For example, like novel, there are so many conflicts, right?
So many
Yeah.
conflicts for novel.
Yes.
Long story. But how about legend?
Yes. Okay, it depends on the writer, of course. After complication or conflict, all conflicts in the world has overcome or has a resolution, right?
Resolution.
After that, we call it a resolution atau
Solusi.
solusi, betul.
Jadi, kalau nulis kisah berhenti pada konflik saja, lalu tidak ada bagaimana cara sang tokoh atau pemeran utama mencari jalan untuk mendapatkan jalan keluar atau solusinya, tentu gregetnya akan sangat kurang sekali. Karena di mana ada masalah, di situ pasti ada jalan keluarnya. Termasuk dalam legenda. Ini optimisme
Betul.
nih di tengah COVID-19 ya. Someday COVID-19
Pasti akan
gonna be
ada.
one of legend, maybe, we don't know.
Yep.
Oke, jadi harus ada resolusi. Bagaimana cara sang pemeran utama menyelesaikan masalah. And then,
And then the last one, this is optional. Why optional? There are some of the texts has no reorientation.
reorientation. Yes.
Reorientation is, if we check about the words, re means again, right?
Again. Yes.
Orientation, something
Back to
like
the
this
first
one.
time. Yes.
Introduce the setting, the characters.
Oh, after the conflict and after
the resolution, yeah.
Nice. Bagaimana ketika tokoh utama awal pertama dikenalkan dalam kisah, kemudian dia berhasil menghadapi konflik, bisa jadi akan menjadi sosok yang lebih bijak, lebih
Or it can be sad.
baik.
It can
Or
be
maybe
sad,
can
right?
be sad.
Yeah.
Ya, lebih.
It can be worse.
Iya, bahkan lebih buruk. Gitu. Kenapa tidak? It can be
Iya.
anything. Depends on the writers.
Depends on the story.
The story and the writers. Jadi tetap ini part yang terakhir dan ini opsional, nggak wajib ada ya teman-teman. Reorientation atau orientasi kembali, di mana akan ada evaluasi atas masalah yang dihadapi, kemudian karakter dari para pemeran, dan tentu juga the lesson from the story. The
That's
lesson
right.
from the
We
story.
call it moral value. Of
Moral
the story.
value must be there.
Yep.
The moral value. Karena nggak mungkin ada cerita tanpa moral value, betul nggak sih Pak Arif?
Not always inside, but it can be implicit.
Oke, not always explicit, it can be implicit also.
Yep.
Jadi nggak harus nyata, tersurat, tapi juga bisa tersirat.
That's
Oke,
right.
and then after we learn about the generic structure of legend, next.
Okay, students, you have to pay attention
Okay.
on the generic structure. Don't forget.
Oke, tolong diperhatikan. Tadi sudah ya. Nanti kalau ada pertanyaan sekali lagi boleh bergabung. Nanti ada segmen yang khusus 031825010 juga di 031825070. Kita lanjut. Nih, boleh difoto dulu kalau ada yang pengen tahu.
Yep.
Betul-betul mencatat dan mungkin bahkan tidak setuju. Kok Pak Arif, saya pernah baca cerita. One of the legend I ever read before, not giving the complication in the story. Is that still a legend? Maybe you can discuss with us.
Okay.
Ya Pak ya, boleh
Yep.
ya? Boleh. Udah? Oke, next kita lanjut ke aspek
Next, maybe
berikutnya.
it is a little bit complicated than
Okay.
others.
Oke, little bit complicated.
Why? Because there are so many aspects.
So many aspects.
And dealing with grammar.
Dealing with grammar. Okay, since English is not our mother language, we can deal the problems with Mr. Arif.
Yes.
Don't worry, guys. Okay, so we
Okay.
will talk about
It's the hardest part.
the hardest part.
We call it language features or lexical grammatical.
Okay, language features or lexical grammatical.
Yep.
Oh.
Or in bahasa we call it unsur.
Unsur kebahasaan ya.
That's
Okay.
Just like you have said in the previous one,
Yeah.
we are dealing with past
tense.
tense. Not only tense, but it could be tenses because we have 4 or 5 tenses in past. Simple past,
Yes.
using verb to.
Okay, simple past using verb true.
Past
verb to.
continuous using was, were, verb ing.
past continuous yang berlangsung sampai dengan hari ini, dari masa lalu sampai hari ini. Was
No,
plus-
until now.
Until-
But in the exact time, another time in the past.
Oke. Was plus verb ing.
Was were plus verb.
Oke. Past
And
continuous.
the third is we have past perfect,
Oke.
had plus verb 3.
Had plus verb 3.
Yes.
Past perfect.
Uh-huh.
Oke.
And we also have future past.
Future past. You
Have
don't
ever
mention
heard
it in
No.
future past.
It's hidden.
Hidden part. Future
Hidden part.
past.
Yeah. Do you
Okay.
know what is the core of future?
Core of future.
Inti dari future apa? Pakai
Inti
apa?
dari masa depan adalah sesuatu yang belum kita ketahui,
Iya.
prediksi.
Betul. Biasanya pakai?
Biasanya pakai will,
That's right.
shall,
Shall, okay.
will, okay.
Will, shall,
Uh-huh.
ya kan?
going to, or something like that.
Ya, to be
Mhm.
going to
Yeah,
ya.
to be going
Oke,
to.
Jadi kalau past future, yang kita rubah karena past itu kuncinya ada second form atau verb to kalau ada verb.
Mhm.
Tapi karena ada will,
Mhm.
will core-nya future, kalau past future will-nya dirubah jadi bentuk kedua. Atau shall-nya berubah jadi bentuk kedua. Jadi apa? Can you
Please.
guess it?
Can we do it with practice? I can imagine. Sorry, I can imagine.
You have
Once
to,
again.
what is it? Understand it.
Okay, understand it first.
Yes. Will bentuk pertama. Bentuk
Okay.
keduanya will adalah would.
Would, yes.
Yes.
Oh, I see now.
Kalau shall bentuk keduanya?
Should.
Good. You are
Okay.
clever indeed.
Thank you, sir, for this quest ya. Oke.
Jadi kalau past future berarti would plus verb 1 atau
Would.
should plus verb 1.
Verb one. Oke.
Itu namanya past future.
Dipahami.
That's it.
Bisa terjadi future past dan itu akan menggunakan would plus verb 1 or should plus verb 1.
Yes, indeed.
Oke. Let's
Tapi
learn game.
mostly in narrative we use simple past. Jadi ada bentuk keduanya saja.
Oke, simple
Betul
past.
aja.
Yes.
And then the second one, adverb of time atau
Keterangan waktu?
that's right.
Oh. Once
The common-
upon a time.
Yeah, that's the adverb of time. Common adverb of time for
Yes.
narrative ya. Once
So
upon
common.
a time.
So common.
Long time
long
ago.
time ago.
And then one day, today, no.
No, today no.
Just one day.
We use today on news.
Yes. And
Okay.
And then the third one is direct sentence or direct speech. What is this?
Tanda kutip?
That's right.
Oh, direct speech. Tanda kutip.
Direct speech.
Untuk kalimat langsung.
Yeah.
Okay. When the character
Speak up
speak up,
in the story.
yes,
You can
or
use
talk
direct.
to another
Yes.
character.
Uh-huh.
Use direct speech atau tanda kutipan
Uh-huh.
untuk menyampaikan bahwa itu adalah pernyataan langsung, kalimat langsung.
But remember, direct speech we don't use past tenses, but we use simple, present.
Present.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, verb 1
Yes.
only.
indeed.
Okay, direct speech with simple tenses. Simple tense
Simple tense or present tense.
or present tense.
Yeah.
Okay, understood.
And then the fourth, adverb plus verb.
Adverb plus verb.
What is
Okay.
adverb?
Keterangan kata kerja, kata sifat? No?
Ya, keterangan yang menerangkan kata.
Kerja.
That's right.
Adverb plus verb.
Yeah.
Keterangan yang menerangkan kata kerja.
For example,
contoh?
I strongly believe on you.
Thank you, sir. You strongly believe that I clever. Thank you. That I smart. Thank you. No.
Indeed.
Okay. We strongly believe, we strongly sure.
Strongly is adverb.
Okay,
in here,
adverb.
right?
Yes. Secara kuat meyakini. But we use verb to right here. Okay?
It's okay. We can put
use.
verb to because this is about
Okay.
narrative.
Yes. Yes.
But
Strongly
we can use
believe.
verb one also.
If we
No problem.
put it in direct speech.
Yes, indeed. That's right.
Okay. And then the last one.
And then the
after
last
adverb
one,
plus
temporal conjunction. There are so many conjunctions here in English, but in narrative or especially legend, we use temporal conjunction.
verb.
After, before, until, something like that.
Kata hubung setelah, kemudian, sesudah itu,
Menunjukkan
sebelumnya.
waktu. Temporal means
Temporal. Waktu.
not too long, right?
Not too long. Yes. Sementara. Temporal conjunction.
Yes.
Sudah siap ya? Jadi kalau legend ada 5 macam language feature atau lexical grammatical yang sudah dijelaskan oleh Pak Arif, maka kita sudah bisa mulai melihat part-part mana saja. Nanti boleh difoto, kita akan ulang dan kita akan diskusi. Ingat, line teleponnya nanti akan saya buka, tapi sabar dulu. I will go back to you after the break. Don't go anywhere. Yes, the hardest part is the language features, or maybe was the language features. Kalau udah canggih, it was, not it is. Pak Arif, kita balik lagi ya. Ini untuk betul-betul menjelaskan secara rinci, teman-teman memahami, saya pun lebih memahami.
Yep. For students, I need you to pay attention to those 5 aspects here, or language features. Actually, there are others language feature, but this is
we focus on the most
of 5 features.
Okay.
And don't forget, you have to remind, or please remember, the colors of each one.
The colors.
Yeah. Why? Because we will exercising ourselves.
Okay.
On the text, whether these features are belongs to the text or no, and how to operate or how to use that features in the text.
The color. You mean the yellow color on adverb plus verb,
past
the
tenses,
red color on past tenses, the orange.
No, actually not orange.
Oh, is that
brown? Maybe.
Brown, really?
Brown
I guess that's orange. Okay, let's say brown or orange.
Yes.
Brorange.
Brorange, yeah.
And then the green.
Green one for adverb of time,
and then the purple.
Purple one
for temporal conjunction. Okay, yellow, red, brorange, green, and purple.
Yes.
Keep it in mind. Keep it in mind. Have you done? Have you done? Focus. For 5 of them. Done. Okay.
Okay, we have one text, a legend text, of course.
Okay.
And this is the story of Bromo.
Nice. Have you ever go to Bromo?
Yeah. Do you know?
I ever go twice.
The story of Bromo, guys?
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe one paragraph first.
Hundreds of years ago, the first paragraph. Oh,
yeah.
We make it one by one.
Each paragraph.
One by one. Okay. Sorry. Boleh dibantu, kita hanya tampilkan paragraf pertama dulu, paragraf 2, 3, 4 kita simpan sejenak. Ya, kita sudah simpan.
Okay.
Then the first paragraph.
Story of Bromo, it's a legend from our
East
province,
Java.
you know, East Java.
Yes.
So we have to know our legend first.
Absolutely.
Before we study about others' legend.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, this is the green one. Have you
Do you
catch
remember the green one?
What is green?
Am I? Okay.
Do you still remember what is the green one?
About the time.
Yeah.
Right there, here. What is that? Sorry?
100 years ago.
A long time ago.
Adverb of time. That's right.
Adverb of time. Usually.
And we can check the previous one.
Okay, boleh kita cek slide sebelumnya untuk memastikan yang berwarna hijau. Yes. Adverb of time.
Okay.
Okay. And then we go back to the story.
Next color. Of course white, but this is not
this is the story.
The language features.
The language features.
But there are so many red words here.
Yes. Yes.
What is red?
Yes. The red one refers to past tenses.
Past tenses. Okay,
past
look
tenses.
at this one.
Gave.
The king's wife gave.
Okay.
Gave is the second form of?
Give.
Give. Clever.
Thank you.
The second one was named.
You can join me, please, to help me. Sometimes I forget. Okay. Was named.
Which one is indicates that's past one?
Was.
That's
and
right.
the verb to of name? No. Was.
Actually, this is not the second form, but this is the third one.
The third one, yes. Sorry.
What we call it? Passive voice.
Passive voice.
Yeah.
Yes.
To be.
In bahasa Indonesia kalimat pasif ya. Jadi was is the past tense. Was.
Yeah, was.
Was. Okay.
Simple past in passive.
Okay. Was named.
Okay. The third one?
Married.
Married. The first?
Marry.
Marry, yes. You're
Would
very...
you marry me, please? Another, yeah, okay. And then?
Came, we have came here.
Come.
That's right. The third
Came.
form of come?
Came also? No?
Come? Came?
Came. No.
Come.
Oh, come.
Back to come, yeah.
Sorry, I forgot
Come,
that.
come.
Come, came,
Why?
come.
Because this is irregular. Married is regular. We just put ed for regular.
Okay.
But for irregular, we have to remember.
Okay, back to the fourth one.
Yeah.
Come, came, come. Okay, nice. Critical, the hardest part. Okay, then?
The last one is something
Was.
like was named.
Forced.
Was forced.
The
That's
passive voice also.
passive
Was.
voice.
Was.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then we have settled here. Of course, you can guess for one. Settle.
Plus
yes.
ed.
Yes, that's regular. The next, ruled.
Rule.
This is regular also.
Yes.
Rule.
Plus ed.
Yes. The next,
Okay.
named.
This one is verb 2, not the passive voice. Name.
Name. That's right. And then the last
Was.
one for this paragraph
Okay.
was derived.
First, was derived. Was.
Was.
This is passive voice also.
Passive voice. Good.
Okay.
That's right. That's,
Exciting.
shall we move to second
Yes,
paragraph?
please. Kita lanjut ke paragraf berikutnya. Next.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry. Here. Okay, we have the new color here.
Okay.
That's
The
purple.
purple.
What is purple?
Temporal conjunction.
That's right, temporal conjunction. We have after there, and then the green one. What is green?
Several
You still
years
remember?
adverb of time.
Good, several years. And then we have so many reds like usual.
Okay.
Flourished. That's regular.
Okay, flourish.
Flourish, and then were.
Are.
Yeah.
Or maybe.
Why? Why were Joko
Oh,
Seger not was?
because we have Roro Antang also together with Joko Seger. Ini jamak, bukan single ya, bukan
Yeah.
tunggal.
Both of them are not separated.
Okay.
We're not separated.
Yeah, we're not separate.
At that time.
Roro Antang and Joko Seger, so we put were, not was. And then
Did not have.
did.
Did
Yes.
indicates the negative. Notnya ya, indicate the negative,
Did
of past.
of past. Okay.
But we don't put verb to here
Because.
because we have did here.
Okay.
So back to verb 1.
Back to verb
Did
1.
not have, no.
No.
But
Did not have.
That's right.
Remember, did not have.
Yes. And then we have frustrated.
Frustrated? I don't feel
Two.
frustrated because of the COVID-19, no.
No.
Okay, frustrated.
And then this one is
Climbed,
climbed. Yes. Regular.
prayed,
We have to pray.
yes, night and day and night.
And this one, I told you.
Yeah. Don't forget the strongly believe, sir.
Oh yeah, sorry. What's the color of this?
Yellow.
Yellow, yeah?
Yes,
Oh, yeah, yellow.
And yellow reverse
What is yellow?
to adverb plus verb.
That's right. This one adverb.
Strongly
and this one is
believe.
verb too.
Yes.
Almost okay.
Would
And this one.
listen.
What kind of tense is that?
You already told me. Future, past,
That's right.
tense.
Because
Future
we
past.
have would plus verb 1.
Listen.
Yeah.
Rasanya kayak ujian ya hari ini saya ya. Bantuin, makanya bantuin. Please help me. Okay. And then
Do you
the
still?
prayer was heard. I still had energy.
Okay.
Energy. Have energy.
And then
heard.
was heard.
Yes.
Passive voice.
Was.
And promised.
Promise. Okay.
Verb
Promise.
two, yeah. And then had to.
Have to.
Yes. And then
Would.
we have
Would.
past future also.
Yes.
Yeah. Would sacrifice.
Would sacrifice. Okay. Second paragraph.
Do you need time to
Maybe I need.
understand?
I need time around an hour to understand. May I please take take a
Don't
break?
leave me alone, no.
No, I don't leave you alone. Oke, relax, santai, kita belajar bareng-bareng dan ini tidak menyusahkan kok, tenang. Kalau mau open mind, berpikir terbuka, relax, fokus, akan sangat mudah sekali. Tadi sudah simpan kan bocoran informasi 5 aspek dasar yang ada dalam language features. Kita lanjut for the third paragraph.
Third paragraph.
We're still talking about legend.
Yes.
Okay.
Is there any new colors?
New colors.
Yeah,
Is it
we have
brown
the
range?
brown one. Yeah.
Brown or brown
range.
slash orange?
Brown range. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Brown and orange.
Okay.
We have so many reds like usual, and then we
Yes.
have, what is it?
Beaver.
Purple?
Purple. Yes.
Purple.
Purple. Beaver.
Purple indicates
Adverb. Sorry. Temporal conjunction.
Conjunction. Yes. Before.
I made my own note, but it cannot work. Okay. And then
Red one, like usual, past tenses.
past tenses.
We have gave,
Mhm.
simple past. Got also.
Yes.
Was,
Was.
to be in past. And then
Could.
couldn't do.
Couldn't do.
What is the tense?
Future past.
Yeah.
No?
Can
Okay. Can.
change into second form. Yeah?
Yes.
Could.
Okay.
Tried,
Tried.
simple past.
Mhm.
And then
Happened. Simple past.
That's felt, yeah?
Felt.
Yeah. That's T, yeah? Oh,
Not
sorry.
oh,
Felt
oh,
is
yes. Fall. From
feeling.
the feeling.
Kalau fall,
oh, sorry.
fell, yeah?
Fall, fell. Okay.
And then was here. And then heard here, yeah? And we have the brown one.
Okay, brown.
Quotation.
The direct speech.
Direct speech. Okay.
Direct
Take a
speech.
look at
Guys, for the
Exhausted?
last paragraph, exhaust a little, but not so much. So many English
Don't worry.
grammatical I learned today.
Stay tuned with us.
Stay
because
tuned.
this is the last paragraph.
Okay, the last paragraph.
Is there any new color here?
Green, is that new?
Yeah. Only green, yeah?
And
And
until.
red. And
purple?
yeah, this one is purple. Yeah.
Okay.
We have 3 colors here.
Uh-huh.
Held, simple past.
Uh-huh.
From hold, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Collected,
Collected.
from collect. And then until is
Until a temporal conjunction.
temper conjunction. You
Okay. Green.
still remember it. Today
Adverb of
is
time.
yes.
Okay. About and this has been done. Has been.
This is the new tenses.
Uh-huh.
We call it has been done. Perfect, present, perfect
Okay.
in passive voice.
Okay.
Because present perfect has have plus verb 3,
Okay.
but here verb 3 there are 3 verb 3 here. Be
Be.
and then done verb 3. Be changed into verb 3 also. Been done because passive is be plus verb 3. So this is present perfect in passive voice.
Present perfect in passive voice.
It's rarely used actually. That's
Okay.
why I don't put it into language features.
Oke. No worries, tenang saja, jangan khawatir. Ini masih sangat menyenangkan dan jangan kelelahan. Karena segmen berikutnya saya akan mulai mengundang ya, tapi belum buka line telepon interaktif. Jadi kalau sudah tadi mencatat nomornya 031825510 atau juga di 031825570. Saya yakin semua teman-teman SMA yang sedang menyimak hari ini mata pelajaran untuk kelas berapa?
Oh ya, ini untuk pelajaran kelas 10 sih.
Kelas 10. Kelas 10 yang sedang menyimak kelas 11, kelas 12 atau bahkan SMP dan SD sambil belajar bareng boleh bergabung dan bertanya. Khususnya teman-teman SMA Negeri 1 Waru Sidoarjo.
Tapi naratif, Mbak Putri, naratif itu tiap level ada.
Tiap level ada. Jadi kita belajar bersama.
Yes.
Oke? Kami akan segera kembali after break. Stay with us on Sinau Nang Omah. And welcome back to Sinau Nang Omah. Together we still learn about the legends, especially the language features of the legend.
Or
Arif.
narrative.
Or narrative
In general.
also. Yes, in general. Yes. Yes. Jadi ini aku tadi dengar ada suara kring 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 kring. Kalau mau bergabung sekarang, we open for the interactive quiz. Kalau mau tanya juga boleh di 031 82510 atau juga di 031 82570. Line telepon kami buka. Karena siapa tahu ada yang belum jelas tadi dari materi sebelumnya ya.
Yes.
Sudah kebayang. Nanti kita akan ada the second exercise. Kita bakal listening comprehension maybe? No?
It's kind of a quiz, maybe.
Kind of quiz.
Yeah.
Everyone
but
can join.
without any present or gift.
No. The present or gift come from your parents.
Oh, I see.
Because you already be a good girl or boy today.
All right.
Stay at home and learn English.
Good.
Yeah. Parents, please get ready for the present and gift. I told the parents.
Yes.
Oke, jadi kita tadi sudah belajar bersama.
Yep.
Ini salah satu contoh legenda dari provinsi kita, Jawa Timur ya.
betul.
Walaupun tayangan ini disaksikan dari Sumatera sampai dengan ke Papua.
Dari Sabang sampai Merauke ya?
Ya, Pak Arif semua turut menyaksikan dan belajar bersama hari ini. Kita sudah mengenal the story of Bromo, walaupun tadi tidak kita baca kisahnya secara utuh, tapi kita belajar language features atau lexical grammaticalnya.
Yes.
Kompleks, tapi sebetulnya mudah kalau
Easy.
mau memaknai. The colors help us. The colors help
Correct.
us.
Indeed.
Oke, jadi kalau ada yang mau bergabung, silahkan. Ini sudah ada yang masuk di 031 82510, juga di 031 82570. Sebelum kami lanjut ke latihan soal berikutnya, boleh kasih bocoran nanti next exercise what we gonna do?
We have another legend,
Another legend.
and we have to use our ears
Oke, use our ears.
and our skill of listening, understanding.
Oke, and logical thinking.
Yes, indeed. That's right.
The hardest part. Oke, jadi nanti kita akan siapkan ya sedikit bocoran ya Pak Arif. Ini nanti untuk segmen terakhir kita akan latihan soal bareng. Seperti apa latihannya? Jadi kita akan mendengarkan.
There will be one text of legend, and then you have to hear the text.
Oke.
And then there are some pictures there,
Oke, so we have many pictures.
scrambled,
Acak.
and you have to arrange
One by
rearrange
one.
the pictures
One by one.
based on the text that you heard.
Based on the text that we heard.
Yes.
Oke, nice.
And
And
guess the title.
guess the title.
Yes.
Oh, very
It's
easy.
easy, don't
Very
worry.
easy. Oke, sudah ada yang bergabung? Kami dengar dering telepon. Boleh saya coba sapa dulu? Good afternoon. Halo. Oh, sayangnya. Kalau gitu kita langsung exercise aja
Putus.
gimana?
Oke, boleh.
Boleh ya langsung exercise supaya waktunya tidak habis? Oke, sambil menunggu telepon masuk. Coba stay fokus. Nanti akan ada interactive section di segmen terakhir, segmen 5.
Okay.
What we gonna do?
Okay, look at this one, guys. We have 5 pictures. Mbak Putri, if you see the pictures here, can you guess what kind of the story is it?
The legend?
It must be
It
close.
must be
Oh,
blank. Should be
sorry.
blank. Okay. I really want to guess the title, but it's already on it. The Golden Cucumber.
Yes, it's very famous
We have-
legend in
yeah.
our country.
So
yeah?
big cucumber we have, right?
Worksheet 12.
Okay. Listen
golden
carefully,
cucumber.
students.
B. The story of the golden cucumber. Listen to the story and choose which picture, A, B, or C, best describes what is happening in each stage of the story.
A traditional story. Botsundari was an old woman who lived by the river in a small village in East Java. She was very poor. It was always difficult for her to find enough food to eat each day. Her husband had died many years ago when she was very young, and she didn't have any children. She often felt lonely. One day, Botsundari went to the forest to collect some wood. She felt very tired and sat down for a moment under a large tree and closed her eyes. Suddenly, she started to feel hot and heard a noise like a baby crying. She opened her eyes and saw a golden cucumber lying on the ground in front of her. She was so afraid that she could not move. After a minute, she felt calmer and touched the golden cucumber. It felt cool and very hard. It was beautiful to look at. Then she decided to take it home and take care of it. It was heavy, and she had to stop many times on her way home for a rest. The following day, she felt hungry as usual, and she didn't have anything to eat. She was tired after her long day the day before, and had no energy to go to the forest to look for food. She decided to try and eat the cucumber. She took a large knife and went to cut it. But before the knife touched the cucumber, it fell off the table and broke in half. A beautiful baby girl came out from the cucumber. Mbok Sundari was very surprised, but she was also very, very happy. Now she had a child. She had always wanted to have a child, especially a girl. She named her Timun Mas, which means golden cucumber. Timun Mas grew up to be kind and intelligent, and Mbok Sundari wasn't lonely anymore.
Oh, what a nice story of Mbok Sundari and Timun Mas, or the golden cucumber.
Quite a different version of golden cucumber.
Yes, so many versions.
Yeah, usually we have buto ijo in another version. Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is a peaceful version, I think.
Very peaceful.
Without
buto ijo.
Yes.
Jadi ini versi yang mungkin sedikit berbeda dengan yang biasa teman-teman dengar atau baca atau lihat sebelumnya, di mana ada tokoh antagonis buto ijo yang ingin mengganggu, mengambil sang Timun Mas ini untuk dimakan atau dinikmati begitu, tapi ternyata tidak. Ini versi yang lebih damai ya, karena ternyata tidak ada gangguan dari buto ijo.
Buto ijonya stay home.
Stay home, stay at home. Ya. Kayaknya lebih khawatir kena coronavirus daripada ganggu Mbok Sundari.
Takut ya.
Betul. Jadi itu tadi kita sudah dengar kisah dengan banyak language features yang ada di dalamnya.
That's right. Can you catch the language features?
So many.
Verb too.
Yes.
And then adverb of time.
Yeah,
also.
so many. Tapi nanti akan kita bahas, Pak Arif, because we need a break for a while.
Okay.
And after break, we come back for the last segment. Ini adalah segmen terakhir. Kami masih mengundang untuk yang ingin bergabung 031 825 510 85 270. After break.
Wah, itu pertanyaannya banyak. Ini nggak ada teksnya loh ini. Kita langsung bertanya.
Adakah yang bergabung atau merasa kesulitan? Haruskah kami buka line telepon ini sampai besok? Karena telepon berdering terus, tapi sepertinya susah untuk tersambung dengan kami. Di 031 82 510 atau juga di 031 82 570. Yang namanya belajar, semua pertanyaan itu benar. Tinggal nanti jawabannya ditanggung oleh Pak Arif. Karena beliau our teacher today, ya. Jadi boleh bergabung, boleh bertanya apapun selama konteksnya adalah bahasa Inggris dan kita bicara naratif, especially legend, atau naratif secara umum, atau pertanyaan seputar the language features we have learned today.
Or generic structure.
Why not? The social function.
Yeah.
please just call us and tell us your question. 031 82 510 atau di 031 82 570. Pak Arif sambil menunggu, biasanya yang teman-teman hadapi di kelas, tantangan, challenge, atau kesulitan pada saat mengerjakan narasi itu apa?
Biasanya kalau siswa itu ya itu tadi, grammar,
Iya. Yang bisa diatasi dengan cara apa? Salah satunya dengan warna. Saya belajar hal menarik hari ini. Kita belajar warna untuk memudahkan. Sebetulnya ini reverse to masing-masing aspek ya. Tapi selain itu, haruskah lebih banyak membaca, lebih banyak berlatih menulis, dan tentu minta tolong di konfirmasi atau revisi apabila ada salah?
Yes. Jadi kalau kebanyakan kita kan memahami grammar itu sesuatu yang harus diingat.
Ya.
Memang benar sih.
Ya, ya betul.
Tapi kita juga harus
berlatih, memahami
dan berlatih.
Oke. Jadi bukan sekedar mengingat, tapi memang nomor satu adalah memahami dan berlatih.
That's right. Sebenarnya ada inti atau core of each tenses. Tadi kan kita ngomongin tentang past.
Iya.
Core-nya tadi atau bentuk kedua,
bentuk
second
kedua.
form, betul ya. Kemudian kita belajar tentang future. Core-nya tadi apa? Will plus verb one.
Plus verb one, yes.
Kalau kemudian kita beralih ke past future, berarti dua core itu dijadikan satu. Past itu bentuk kedua, future-nya will verb one. Yang dirubah nggak mungkin yang verb one.
Iya.
Yang dirubah adalah will-nya jadi bentuk kedua.
Konteks kalimat itu lebih mudah loh dipahami dan diingat.
That's right.
Ya kan?
Betul.
Kalau sekedar hafalkan core akan susah. Kalau sekedar menghafalkan core saja, memang harus memahami, berlatih, dan kemudian bikin makin lancar. Selain itu, selain tentang grammar, kalau untuk menulis,
terutama naratif ini satu teks yang favorit.
Oh ya.
Cuman terbentur tentang vocabularies yang kedua.
Vocabularies.
Yang pertama tadi grammar, yang kedua vocabularies.
Yang kedua vocabularies atau kosakata.
Cara menanggulanginya ya banyak baca.
Banyak membaca.
Betul. Dan
berteman kamus, dictionary untuk membantu. Ini artinya apa?
Oh iya.
Betul nggak sih Pak?
Berteman dengan penjual kamus, bukan ya?
Enggak. Kalau Pak Arif strateginya untuk kemudian mencintai bahasa Inggris dan menjadi being an English teacher, itu apa sebetulnya? Boleh dibagi buat teman-teman.
We have to learn English in fun ways.
We have to learn English in fun way.
Yeah. For example, have you ever sing an English song? Of course.
Listening English song, yes. Singing in my bathroom, yes.
Ya, itu salah satunya cara.
Oke.
Yang kedua, I
listening
think
music.
you have known all the film, Hollywood film especially, right?
Hollywood not Bollywood. Yes, Hollywood films. Watching movies.
Itu juga salah satu.
Itu akan sangat membantu.
Betul.
Oh, strateginya kalau nonton movie itu jangan yang subtitlesnya in English, in bahasa Indonesia. Bukan karena kita tidak mencintai bahasa Indonesia. We can learn while listening and reading the subtitles in English. It's gonna be easier for us to learn English.
Without subtitle.
Next step without subtitles.
Yes.
Nice. Pak Arif, thank you very much. Kita dibatasi waktu, pada akhirnya 60 menit berlalu tanpa terasa. Kita sudah tunggu telepon banyak sekali berdering masuk, tapi rupanya mengalami kendala untuk tersambung dengan studio. Gak apa-apa, karena nanti bisa bertanya kepada guru bahasa Inggris masing-masing saat berjumpa kembali di kelas setelah prahara ini usai. Tenang, Anda tidak sedang dikarantina di rumah dalam bentuk hukuman, tapi kita sedang bersenang-senang, memiliki waktu dan momen bersama keluarga untuk belajar. Oke teman-teman, kita ketemu lagi hari Jumat, tentunya dalam program Sinaunang Oma di JTV 10.30 sampai 11.30 waktu Indonesia Barat. Thank you very much, Mr. Arif Rahman. Sending my warmest greetings for everyone here in SMA Negeri 1 Waru Sidoarjo.
Yes, of course.
Thank you, Pak Arif. Sampai jumpa. Bye. See you guys.